The Evenflo Revolve360 Car Seat in Rowe Pink stands out for its rotating base, which makes buckling and unbuckling a child dramatically easier in tight parking spaces. Its extended rear-facing capacity lets children stay in the safer rear-facing position well into the preschool years, which many safety experts strongly recommend. Once installed, the base can stay put while you switch between rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster modes, so you are not constantly wrestling with reinstallation as your child grows. The seat is thoughtfully padded with supportive fabrics and includes an added leg rest, giving taller toddlers and bigger kids a more comfortable ride on long trips. Parents will appreciate that the cover is designed to come off quickly for machine washing, which makes it far less stressful to deal with inevitable spills and snack messes. Beyond convenience, the Revolve 360 has been tested to exceed standard crash requirements, including side impact and rollover scenarios, which adds real peace of mind on every drive.